it's locked, like New Kids on the Block, or any Village People song you know. Or play Vanilla Ice, hey, you could play him twice, and you can play the Bee Gees any day. But Mr. DJ, please, I'm begging on my knees, I just can't take no more of Billy Ray. Don't play that song, that achy breaky song, the most annoying song I know. And if you play that song, that achy breaky song, I might blow up my radio. Woo! You can clear the room by playing Danny Boone. You can crank the hammer to dawn. Or find it even here, slip with my nose and fear, or doing the Yoko Marathon. Or play some Tiffany on 8-track or CD, or you took your lips, boy. Or tie me to a chair and kick me down the stairs. Just please don't play that stupid song no more. Don't play that song, that achy breaky song. You know I hate that song a bunch. And if you play that song, that nauseating song, I might just make me lose my lunch. Woo! Don't play that song, that achy breaky song. I think it's driving me insane. Oh, please don't play that song, that irritating song. I'd rather have a pitchfork in my brain. Don't play that song, that achy breaky song, the most annoying song I know. And if you play that song, that achy breaky song, I might blow up my radio.
Ladies and gents, that was Flash.